AllSpark end of financial year sale is on now. Make sure you get online and check out many of our deals up to 36% off, including our AllSpark 2-outlet flush mount power board. Black, perfect for canopy builds. White, great to go in the caravan. Choose whatever colour you like, doesn't really matter. If you're wiring up a canopy, this is about as clean and simple as it gets. Flush mount design, dual 230 volt outlets, and a built-in circuit breaker. No extra wiring drama and no dodgy double adapters. It's plug and play. Just wire it into your inverter and you're good to go. Whether you're off grid, this makes powering up safe, easy and clean. Also comes with a 2-meter extension cord connected to your inverter into your power outlet and you're good to go. Remember, AllSpark end of financial year sale is on now. These 2-outlet flush mount power boards are 25% off. Click the link below. Get yours today.